reflecting the light of. From my mouth pools a longing. Without border or reason to collect quickly, my want becomes an ocean. Swells of decadent indecision, my discordant wonder, and I am bereft of my own sense of direction. Emptied and incoherent, bellied up and breathing all salt, all burden. My forgetting was given to me. Scattered sensorial subject, all this feeling exceeds me. At once oversaturated and unresolved. Every ocean is a door, and I splinter in the wreckage of so many frames, spilling in all the in-between spaces. Incremental measures of when and where, these mathematics are contingent and deceiving. I want to see the real of myself, collect them like winks flickering across skids of cities, shards of shiny things gleaming on the surface of shallow surges, someplace where the calamity recedes. Peel them from caked walls for which my memory has no echo. What inheritance? What call? Whose response? The body palms a map, incandescent isoline shifting ever elsewhere, all flesh and fluidic folding, refusing function, familiar refractory fiction and host of vulgar gestures. Hear me when I say, to edge is an unsatiated verb stuck in a senile declension. What I'm after is possession enough to say, I crave, follow, and feast. My radiant hand holds against the incessant rush.